Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start something exciting, Java programming. If you are a beginner or want to learn Java step by step, you are in the right place. By the end of this video, you will able to know what Java is, why it's so popular, and some basic concepts like class, object, and methods. So let's get started. What is Java? Java is one of the most popular language in the world. It was created by James Gosling in 1995. Yeah, it was an object-oriented programming and platform independent, and it's a secure programming language. In simple words, you can write Java code once and run it everywhere. Like the platform may be varied, maybe Windows, Linux, or Mac, whatever it is. You can write the code once, and run it anywhere without changing the code, right? That's why Java is widely used for web apps, Android apps, games, and enterprise software, right? Huh. If you see a fun fact about Java, the story behind the name Java. Yeah, the originally Java was called as Oak in the starting in the early age, and then the Java coders were think about we have to change the name, and then they brainstormed the ideas of them. They were thought to rename it like silk DNA lyric, but they doesn't match it, right? So they at that time they were allowed to drink the Indonesian coffee which is called Java coffee, so that they just put it the name Java. Yeah, if you see in the symbol of the Java programming language is a coffee cup and its name is Java. It mentions that it's a Java coffee, right? So that it was named Java. Then we're gonna see the why learn Java. Why we have to learn Java? You might ask why should I learn Java? Because if you see, it is used by the top companies like Google, Amazon, Netflix, and lot of MNCs, right? Java developers are always in demand because AI can't replace a Java developer. It helps you to understand the core programming concepts very clearly. And if you want to become an Android developer, Java is best language you must know, right? We are going to see about the class object methods. Yeah, the first of all, class. A class is a blueprint or a template. Imagine you are building a car. A class defines what a car should have, like wheels, colors, and engine, but it's not a real car yet. It has just having the blueprint or a template like it has, but not exactly that object it means. Yeah, in object, an object is a real thing you can create from a class. Yeah, if you are having a blueprint, using the blueprint, you are able to build a house, right? Like this, we are doing here. Using the blueprint, which is called class, which is here we are taking car as a class so that our blueprint is a car. We are creating a real object called red car. For example, you keep a object as a red car. We are creating a red car from the class car. Yeah. So when you actually build a car with that blueprint, that car is an object. Here, the red car is an object for our the method is an like an action that the object can perform. Yeah, if you take what are all the actions that an car can perform, or to start, to stop, or like to horn, like this, or the actions it can perform, these are all called methods. Yeah, those actions are methods in programming. Now I'm going to explain about the program in Java. Here I'm having two programs to show you that how the programs are in Java. First of all, I'm going to explain about the Hello Java program. Yeah, here I I created a class Hello, which was the class name here. Yeah, the file name should be the class name. Here also I'll give like that. First of all, the class which is in green color is called the keyword class. Using that keyword, we are able to create a class in Java. The hello is the class name and the public static void main string args. It is the syntax of the main function. Yeah, it was the most important thing in the Java programming. Whenever the class is the class we are opening the class, the program first start from the main function. Even you give it in the last part, it first of all approaches the main functions and check the things which you have gave there. Here I am giving that system.out.println. Println is nothing but the ln mentions that the new line. If you are wanted to put all the sentence in same line, then you will give system.out.print. The both are same. Yeah, it is used to print the statement hello Java. Here the semicolon is must for all the statements in Java. After giving you that in such as an ID called Eclipse or Visual Code, you're able to print the hello Java. The next program we are going to see, which consists of class, methods, and an object. Here I'm going to tell you that how to create an object and also provide you the syntax for that. Uh, Here I'm creating a class named car. I'm again saying that the class name should be the file name, and also here I'm creating a variable called color. And if you want to create a variable, you must give the data type before that. String is the data type and color is the variable name. The semicolon is must here. Next, the method. The method I'm creating here is start. Void start. Void means it doesn't return anything. So void start is the method which was created here, and inside that I'm giving a print statement. A car has started. Then public class main. I'm declaring another class which is in the public. The public is the access specifier and the class is the keyword and the main is the class name. The public static void main is in main function, which I have already told in the previous program. Car my car equal to new car. This is the syntax to create an object. Here car is the class name and my car is the object name and new is the keyword, and car with a parenthesis is said to be a constructor. Constructor is a different concept and I'll explain about it in the next videos. My car dot color is the way you are able to call the variable or else the method. Using this object, you are able to call the variable or call a method using the dot operator right here. This is a small. This is how the program is going to execute. When you execute the program, it may shows you in the end of this main function you are calling the start method using the object my car. Then it will print that cars has started, right? I think this is enough to know the basic concepts. Let us see a quick recap. So today we learned what Java is and why it's so popular, the story behind the name, the key concepts of Java programming, class, objects and methods. In the next video, we will start writing a Java code step by step and I'll try to explain a bit more about the concepts. If you found this helpful, Hit the like button and share with your friends and subscribe to the channel.